Hey, let's go. When you talk about American classics, French fries have to be in that conversation. And Burger Seoul here in Tacoma are taking that American classic, infusing Korean flavors to make a combo that'll make your taste buds jump for joy. Young, here we are, Burger Seoul.
Burger Seoul.
Korean power.
Korean power, baby.
I'm hearing you guys are taking burgers and fries.
Yes.
And you're incorporating some Korean power, is that true?
Oh, yes. You know, Korean has that unique flavor. So Korean, American, bam.
Now, one of the showstoppers here is the Seoul Fire Fries. They start with buttery garlic fries and on top put bulgogi, Seoul sauce, and a spicy fire sauce.
Your potatoes then have got to be pretty special then. Where are you getting them from?
Grow in Washington, and it's top of the line. You know, what we are using, the product is the best one.
Look at this. Can you see that? Get a little bit of the meat, a little bit of the sauce.
Yeah. Gombe.
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 There you go. I understand why people come and order 5 boxes of these. Well, ladies and gentlemen, look who I ran into at Burger Seoul. I don't know if you've tried their fire fries.
You know, I haven't, but I heard about it.
Okay, well, now's the time.
Is
so
this it?
yeah, this
This
is
is for me?
it. This is free. Well, for both of us.
Oh, all right. Have to share
And make sure you get some of that sauce and a little bit of that meat in there.
Oh, that's just good.
A lot of flavor on the fries, you know, very explosive. You know, once you take a bite, you know, it's kind of like a bomb in your mouth. It just explodes. So.
You know, it's like you made it at home, special.
You would order these again then.
Oh, I always do.
It's a meal in a box. That's all right there, really.
That works. Let me just double check and see what else I did.
Well, we're gonna go get some more, and you should come down to Tacoma and try these yourself. Come on, let's go.